Mitch, and for today, we will be doing egg tart. Okay? So for the ingredients, I have the crust and the filling. So, para sa crust, we have pat sucre na recipe. Flour, egg yolks, water, sugar, butter, and some salt. Okay, let's start. In your bowl, mix in first your butter and your flour. Mabot na sa kamay ko. And then, do like this, okay? Para mag-tiny yung butter. Okay? You can use fork or you can use this. This one is pastry blender. Kung wala niyan, ganito. And then, mix your sugar. Yung iba, they're using a mixer or food processor. But actually, if you don't have mixer and food processor, pwede ganito. Okay? And then your egg yolk. Some salt. And add more flour. Yung water, mamaya na ha. If it's too dry, you can add water. Pag sakto lang, huwag mo muna ilagay. Ayan. So, last, ubos natin si harina. And then, huwag mo i-proper mix ha. Cling wrap na natin. Okay? So, this is for your crust. Where's my cling wrap? Oops. Tapos, chill natin siya. Then, after this, let's do the filling. So, chill natin for around 5 minutes. So, let's proceed to our custard. First, yung water and yung sugar. Pa-boil natin si sugar, okay? And then once boiling, mix natin yung rest of the ingredients. Egg yolks, milk, and your vanilla extract. Okay. Once boiling, mix muna natin si egg yolk and si milk. Okay. Tapos, turn off. Tapos, hulog natin. Here. Okay. Continue mixing. Para hindi maluto si egg. Lastly, let's add the vanilla. Tapos, strain natin to ha. Okay. And then, strain. Tapos, set aside para gawin muna natin yung crust. Yan. So, here's the crust. May 1/4 all-purpose flour ako dito for dusting lang, okay? And then, I have this one. Pwede yung individual nito if you want. But, 4 kami sa family. So, ito na lang. I have here parchment paper or baking paper. Diyan ko yan ilalagay para mas easy for me. Okay, so dust ko pa konti. Cover. Tapos, dyan mo siya i-roll. Okay, I have here rolling pin. One recipe of this will give you around dapat 8 crusts. Huwag mo na paabot ng 12 or else masyadong manipis na yan. And then this one, roll it again, cut it again. Okay? Yan, the crust is ready. So, pour na natin si filling and then bake natin around 20 minutes. Kailangan mainit yung oven around 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Yan, after 15 minutes, I'll check. Ta-da! My egg tart is done already. Okay? Focus, focus, focus. Okay? Yan, it's done. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!